there's no getting away from it. Projects are a nightmare to manage successfully, particularly the project with multiple teams and sites. Nonetheless, in these days project management require ever-increasing skills and ever more sophisticated techniques. They are sometimes necessary. Do you ever wondered, what are the key skills required for a project manager? If yes, then you have come to right video. Hi, my name is VJ, and I am the founder of projectsmind.com, and today we would learn about top 5 hard skills of a successful project manager. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Project manager needs both soft and hard skills to make right decision at right time. And here are the top 5 hard skills which any successful project manager should possess to meet the project objectives. First one is planning skills. Accurate estimation time and efforts are the key activities of any project. For smaller project this can be done by project manager itself, but for bigger projects, it is usually done by planner or scheduler. However, project manager will need to validate and review the project schedule. Identification and integration of various functions with required resources is critical. Second is budgeting skills. Generally, the projects are bounded by the time and budget constraints. Project manager should have sufficient skills to allocate budget based on project cost estimates. Every WBS of a project requires some budget allocation to complete the work. Project managers are responsible to ensure the project remains within its allocated budget. Third is risk management. Projects are continuously exposed to various schedule and cost risks. Managing these risks is the responsibilities of project manager. It's not just about managing people and resources. Identifying risks and mitigating those risks by project team should be an activity on daily basis. Fourth one is project analytics skills. As project progress, it continuously generates key information and data about project performance. Project manager should be able to measure and analyze these data and key performance indicators. These helps project manager to take informed and effective decision. Project managers need to understand and analyze this data with respect to ongoing project work and plan. Last but not least, is the domain expertise. To effectively manage a project, project managers must be proficient in industry-specific knowledge. For an IT project manager, it is critical to have clear understanding of software industry and coding knowledge. Similarly for construction project, a civil engineer will have better understanding of construction work. It is very difficult to manage a project if you know little or nothing about the specific industry. Project managers' hard skills alone don't translate into project success, as project team members also need to use other skills, such as soft skills, that contribute to customer satisfaction. Tell me, which hard skill do you utilize most while working on project? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. If you enjoyed this blog post, please share it with a friend. And, if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And, don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.